Hey guys, in this video I show three activities. The first is install postgis from Stack Builder. The second is restore a database in Postgres. And and finally I create a reverse engineering in the database. Let's go. The first part is go to browser files and write the name for application, in this case stack builder. Select item yes and wait. The first part is select my Postgres, in this case Postgres 12 for 64 and next wait and go to special extension and select the first version and select next and next I agree, select next and wait for the download. Select yes uh, I look the messenger for installation complete. The installation is complete. Finish download the components in select close, finish. Is this okay? The second step is recovery on a database. For this, go to Postgres, wait for this initialization this session. In enter the password for pgadmin. In my case is this. Close this windows, open server, open Postgres SQL 12 and select the database. Let's go to restore, select the file. The file is this, backup and restore. Wait for the process. This is a little database for catastrophes in Machachi.